This is hard to believe.
This is it. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. This is gold. Real gold. And it worth thousands of naira. Are you serious? Yes. Thousands of naira. You mean he gave you this gold just to appreciate you for cooking for him? Yes, he did. Okay. But he's making advances at me. Are you serious? You're a very beautiful girl. This is an opportunity for you to live a better life. Don't give me that look. No. Don't give me that look. I'm serious.
Barman life, wala, to eat, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. Barman life, wala, to eat.
Amaka, you're not going to the market to sell oranges today?
Obim,
huh?
I am tired. Let me use today and rest. Bikon,
So you're not selling today at all?
Today is my resting day. Oh, it's my resting day.
It's okay, I understand. I have to go and deliver this palm wine.
Don't come out. Go well.
Should I buy anything for you?
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. See you when I come back.
Barman life, wala, to eat, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. Barman life, wala, to eat, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. I'm innocent, I can only watch it. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my
the beautiful one, finest, Omanicha.
Did you buy the foodstuffs?
Yes, I bought them. Okay. But you know, this time around, I will do the cooking while you relax and watch me cook.
You? Can you cook?
You'll find out in the jiffy. Inside.
You will have to be fast about it. I don't want my husband to get home before me.
Alright, my princess. Anything you say is okay by me. Inside, please. Beautiful. The finest, the most sexiest. Oh my God. My world best. Dream come true.
nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. Barman life, wala. To eat, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. Barman life, wala. To eat, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala.
Amaka.
Ebube.
Are you here? Yes, so it's a good thing to see you again. It's been a while. How are you, my friend?
As you can see, my wife and I were doing very, very fine.
Eh?
Obviously.
And you know you don't have to come and check on us every time. I'm sure you have other things to do.
Oh yes, I do.
Ne.
I will take my leave now.
Trust the women, betray. Trust the women, trust to
Amaka! I saw this in our bedroom. I've never seen it before. It really looks expensive. Who kept it there?
It's my necklace.
Your necklace? How did you get it?
I bought it from the market.
You bought it from the market? But Amaka, why are you spending money on unnecessary things?
And who says a piece of jewelry is not a necessity? Who says so? I don't blame you because you don't own one yourself. Let alone buy one. Do you know what this is called? Do you know what it is called? It is called a gold necklace. A gold necklace, eh? How do you even say this is not necessary? Do you know the worth of it? This is a necessity. It is because you don't own one yourself. Let alone buy one for me.
See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. By my life, voila.
Also, you said you have something to tell me.
Yes. You see, I have finally thought of a way for us to get what we want. Yes.
Are you serious?
Come. Master planner.
Also,
don't joke with me.
What are you? Yes. In fact, this calls for celebration. Let's celebrate. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Okay,
cheers.
No, I have not been to the city.
Also, this will work.
100%.
It must work.
100%. Huh? The man and mother of the guy. 100%.
120%.
I'll walk. Everybody. 82 words. City boy.
Nice one.
When you go, I'm with you 100%.
No, nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. By my life, voila, to eat natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, double voila. By my life, voila, to eat natural. If you marry a beautiful woman.
Amaka.
Odinaka.
I was looking for you.
I've been here.
I know, you've been here for over 30 minutes. I've been meaning to ask you. For over 1 week now, you haven't been going to the market. Is everything okay?
Everything is okay, Odinaka. But I want to say this to you. It is high time I told you this. I am quitting. You see that business? I am backing out.
Eh?
Eziokum. You see that sun in that town? Hi. I'm a chagi. Eh? Hey, I don't even wish that son on my enemy. I am quitting, you know. I have backed out. I'm not going to that market again.
But Amaka, I don't understand. If you're not going back to the market to continue selling, what else do you want to do? Don't you know it is wrong for a woman to stay idle?
Odinaka, who says I will be idle? Who says I will be idle? I will be busy taking care of myself. Is that not enough work? Yeah. Oh, Chim.
Amaka, what is the meaning of what you just said?
Odinaka, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Is it too much to ask for? Leave me alone.
Nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done.
What is going on?
Money have changed you.
No.
Totally. Because of money,
Amaka has
you are
changed.
behaving strange.
This is not the Amaka I used to know.
If you marry a beautiful
She even called my full name.
If you marry a beautiful woman,
You like it?
They are beautiful.
Yes. Amaka, I will get you more of this once you accept to marry me.
Ibube, what you just said is exactly the problem. I can't leave my husband. I doubt if you and I can ever be together, honestly.
But why?
It is because of my husband. He's grown sensitive lately. The other day, we had a fallout because of the necklace you got me. Imagine seeing these new clothes. Imagine what he would do.
But that is because I care about you. I cannot tolerate you wearing this kind of things. Like I said, you are so beautiful. You deserve everything good. Okay? I can't tolerate you wearing this kind of things in my presence. I will do everything humanly possible to make sure you look good. My intentions for you are genuine. Huh? Just think about it and let us be together.
Thank you. Thank you for thinking well of me. But please, you need to be patient with me so as to sort things out with Odinaka.
Okay. You know I can wait forever just to have you on my side. But there is something I want you to know, my love. Once you accept to be my wife, once you accept to be my angel, I will take you out of this country. You don't deserve to be here. You deserve to have a soft life. I will take you to the US. That is the place we're going to have our kids. Yes, after the US, I will take you to London. We'll go to Stamford Bridge. We'll watch live football. I will take you to Gucci store. Everything. Babe, listen to me. I want to make you my queen. You know that had it been I met you first before Naka, what are you talking about? By now you would have been in London or America, living your best life. You see, just think about it. Once you accept to be my wife, man, I don't even know what else to say. Just think about it. Okay?
Thank you.
See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving.
Adama.
Hey. Odinaka.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I was passing by, so I decided to come and say hello.
That's nice of you.
Thank you.
Hey, Odinaka.
Huh?
I will need extra gallon of fresh palm wine this evening. I'll be holding a club meeting tomorrow morning. So they requested for your palm wine.
This evening?
Yes.
Why not tomorrow? Eh? I'll bring fresh ones tomorrow.
That would be better. But please, bring it on time.
No problem. 7 o'clock in the morning, you see me here.
Okay, I trust you. Odinaka, bye. Hey.
7 o'clock, don't forget. Oh.
Okay.
All right.
Adama. I saw Odinaka living now.
And so, what is your business? Also, what is your business? Please leave me. Allow me in this village also.
See, Adama, I am still the best palm wine tapper in this village. Don't forget that. I don't know what you are doing with Odinaka. If you want to be his second wife, I'm not second wife, and I go equal. Meanwhile, get me palm wine. Can go? Idiot.
Fresh palm wine is here. Oh. Madam. Madam.
You are here.
Yes, so.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How's work?
Well, thank God, my dear.
This one is fresh, oh.
I trust you.
I just tapped it now.
Wow. Hold on, I need to have a taste of this palm wine.
No problem, I'll give you.
Odinaka, like yeah, I like it. Your palm wine tastes better every day.
I'm glad you like it.
I like it. Hold on.
Thank you.
Let me give you your money. Here is your money.
Thank you.
You can keep the change. Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Just let me know when you need more.
I will. All right. Take care, yeah? Biting me.
What is that? Tell us now.
See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally.
My love. Amaka. This sudden change of attitude is really getting to me.
Please tell me, is something bothering you? You can talk to me. I'm your husband.
Nothing.
This is exactly my point. Your mouth is saying something different. Your facial expressions are saying something different. You can't even look at me in the eye. What exactly is going on?
Odinaka, this is exactly my own point. Why can't you let me be? I have told you over and over again that there is nothing wrong with me. How else do you want me to say it? There is nothing wrong with me. Leave me alone. Here. Oh.
Odinaka. Odinaka.
You are needed at the palace immediately.
Needed at the palace? What happened?
The king wants to see you at the palace now, and it's urgent.
For what?
Huh? Stand up, let's go.
Stand up.
Drag him!
Drag who? Hey, listen. Stand up. Come on, leave it up. Listen, I didn't do anything. You can't hold. Stop that. Come on. Let's go. Stand up. Come on, leave it up. Come here. Leave it. Let's go.
Where are you dragging him to?
Hey! Amaka! Amaka! Amaka!
What has he done?
See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. By my life, voila, to eat you.
Odinaka, did you supply palm wine to Adama today? Answer me.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Yes, you did. She is dead as a result of poison in the palm wine you sold to her.
But, Iche, wait. Why should I poison my customer? Does that make sense? That does not make sense. She was my best customer. How can I kill my own Igwe? Igwe, I didn't know there was poison. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Oh, hey.
Odinaka. This is indeed a pathetic story so far. You are the only one who supplied palm wine to her, which makes you a clear suspect that must be arrested for murder. It's as simple as that.
Igwe, believe me. Igwe, I don't tell lies. I didn't know. Igwe, Iche, please talk to Igwe.
You have to face the consequences.
Hey, consequences. Igwe, hey.
Consequences of your actions.
How can I poison my own customer? She was my best customer, Igwe. I didn't.
Mr. King, you did it.
I didn't do anything. Igwe.
Odinaka.
Your Majesty.
Are there not enough trouble in the land not to start with this?
My king, something is wrong somewhere. I'm innocent. I've been accused wrongly. I didn't do it. I can't kill anybody. My king, this is Odinaka. I can't kill anybody. Tell them, Amaka, talk to them. Tell them I didn't do it. My king, it's a lie. I've been accused wrongly.
Odinaka, stop this your crocodile tears. Why are you lying? Eh? Tell the Igwe the simple truth and nothing but the truth.
No.
Officers.
Your Majesty.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Take him away until he proves his innocence.
Igwe!
My king, my king, he could be saying the truth.
He could!
Until he proves his innocence. Take him away.
How else do I prove my innocence? I didn't do it. How can you be asking that kind of question? Don't you know me? I didn't do it. Sir, wait. My king, I didn't do it. Sir, wait.
Say the truth.
For only the truth can set you free. Notorious criminal. I'm a robber.
Continue lying. Yeah? I'm an yachikwanga.
Nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally.
Bikon, no matter what, he is still your friend. Help me. Odinaka cannot rot in cell. Bikon, he's still your friend, no matter what has happened.
It's not as if I can't help him or I don't want to help him. The issue here is that this is a murder case. And you know what that means? In this country, murder cases are just so difficult to handle.
Baby Kono, please.
No.
Bikono, for my sake.
No, please, no. Oh, no, please, I don't want this. No, get up. No, please. This is an embarrassment. No, please, do not kneel down again, please. I told you before that my friend's wife is also my friend. I will do everything within my powers to make sure he's out from there. It's a promise. The only thing is that it's a murder case. Please, everyone.
Mount pressure, Bikono, mount pressure on your connections. Please, tell them to do something. Bikono, please.
I will mount pressure. I will do something. So just calm down, okay? I called the commissioner of police yesterday, so he said I should call him back today. He said he's going to call me. In fact, I should call him back. You know, it's a murder case, and once they hear that somebody killed somebody, it's just so difficult to handle. But because your husband is my best friend and also my brother, I would do something to make sure he's out from there, just to make you happy, because you're also my friend. So I will still call him.
Thank you.
I will still call the commissioner of police. Something must be done.
Yes.
He must be out from there.
Bikono, fast. Please.
Fast. All right. Let me place a call across. But just go inside. Chill. Relax. I will meet you up. Okay. In case you want to drink anything, you take drink. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank
okay.
You, sir.
My friend's wife is also my friend.
Thank you.
Just wait for me. In case you need any drink. Just ease your mind. Ease your stress. That's what happened to my best friend. Relax yourself,
Nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend?
Odnaka, I have done everything humanly possible, but this case is too strong, and I don't know what else to do.
Ubah, thank you so much for your effort. You have done well.
Thank you. You don't need to thank me. What are friends for? Okay, I'm sorry this is happening to you, but I will do my best to make sure you're out of here.
It's okay. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Can I ask for a favor?
Ask me anything.
Can you take care of my wife? I'm sure she's very devastated about this situation.
Of course, I will do my best to take care of your wife. But the more important thing right now, the one that is, giving me much concern is to get a better lawyer to take you out of here. You don't deserve this that you're going through. Please, my friend, you have to be strong, okay? All this will pass. I believe so.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll forever remain grateful to you.
Come on, what are friends for? Sorry. Stay strong, okay? Stay strong.
Okay.
Everything will be fine. Believe me. Okay.
Know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. Bad man life, voila, to eat, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila, bad man life.
Hi. Amaka.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Thank you.
Yes. How is everything?
How is it? How is he?
He's fine. He's doing fine.
Can I go and see him, please?
Amaka, honestly, I am working on that. I'm seriously working on it. As a matter of fact, I have met with the best lawyers for this case. But the only thing I can say to you now is that in no time, everything will be fine. But for now, you can't see him.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for everything.
It's okay. You don't need to thank me. Odinaka, your husband is my best friend. Okay? Anything I'm doing it out of love. And I must make sure he's out of there. It's a promise. I can see you have a company. Let me take my leave. I will see you some other.
Sorry, are you leaving because of me?
Oh no. I have an appointment with the lawyer in charge of Odinaka's case. Yes, so I need to see him. Alright, you girls should take good care of yourself, huh? I will see you some other time. But in case you need anything, please, you call me. Alright. Take care. Let me meet the lawyer immediately. Okay, something must be done for Odinaka to be out of that place.
Thank you.
Take care,
so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Remember what I said, eh? Just call me. The phone call will do the magic.
He is so cute. Huh?
Which one is he so cute? Is he more handsome than my husband?
Handsome waiting. See, Amaka, let me tell you. Manwoke bego. If I were you, I would grab this opportunity and make him mine.
How could you say a thing like that when my husband is locked up in a cell?
Oh, thank God you said so. And charged for murder case. He might likely not come out.
Njideka, this is where you cross the line. What do you mean murder case? Do you want my husband dead? Is that what you want?
No. Amaka, no, what are you saying?
Hey, please, I don't like it. Why would you say a thing like that? Amaka. No, why would you say that? Why?
No, what are you saying? It's not what I meant.
Njideka, Bianaba, it's okay. I am fine. I am not in a good mood. Start going.
Amaka, why can't you just face the reality here?
Do you want my husband dead? That's the question. Hey, I've heard you. Start going. One is Biko. I'm not in a good mood. I want to waka sing, please.
Amaka,
Money is good. In fact, the only thing better than money is more money. Hi! Ebube, the city boy, you have made money. Hi! What the Kamborogo? Ego Amaka, Ewushim. The city boy.
Okay. That's very good. So 60 million naira is the last price. No problem. Super draw. I will send it to you. Okay. You know what I will do? I will add 2 million naira to the 60 million, making it 62 million naira. The 2 million there is for your transport and some money for miscellaneous. Alright.
Okay.
So, 60 million. Okay, good. You know what? Let me call my account manager to punch it into your account. Trust me now. And please, make sure you buy that land. Okay? It's very important. Buy that land. Good.
City boy. Hey, bro.
Hello? Account officer. Yes, I want you to send 62 million naira to my client's account. Yeah, it's the one you normally send money to. 62 million naira. Yes. ASAP, please. ASAP. All right. You have my permission. Thank you.
62 million just for the land?
Yes, ma'am.
You see, Ebube.
Also, how are you?
I'm fine. You see, Ebube, I have done my own bargain of the deal. Now, how do you intend to help me get back my credibility as a palm wine papa in this village?
Also, why are you sounding as if you don't know me anymore?
I know you.
They don't call me the city boy in vain. There's a reason I am called the city boy. Okoyema?
I know.
So, there's a reason you call me city boy. Yes. I will do my own part of the bargain. But I must recommend you. You've done very well. Nice one. I will applaud you for that. In fact, chop knuckle. You did well.
City boy.
You did well. So what I would tell you here and now is that by the time you get to your house, the whole villagers will be at your beck and call for palm wine.
But I don't believe you. City boy. I don't believe you. Just like that. Just like that. They will be at my beck and call. It's not possible. I don't believe it.
What is my name?
This city boy.
What is my name?
Ebube, city boy.
What is my name?
Ebu, the city boy.
What are you talking? Don't you know me?
I know you. Like the back of my palm.
I said by the time you get home, you will see queue. Line up. People will line up and be asking for palm wine. You restore your glory back.
But this is hard to believe, but who am I to doubt you?
I am telling you.
City boy. Ebu. Ebu, but the city boy.
Even the king, that band they gave to you, they will lift it because of me.
City boy. Ebu. Ebu, but the city boy.
So let's celebrate,
Yeah.
Because you're back as the best palm wine tapper.
Back and better.
Back and better.
Back and better.
What is my name?
Ebu, the city boy.
What is my name?
Ebu, the city boy.
I can't hear you.
Ebu, the city boy.
Louder, louder.
Ebu, the city boy.
Louder, louder.
Ebu, the city boy.
I have some fried chicken inside.
How come you now I'm hungry?
You're hungry?
Look at my statue now.
I know you.
So
let's go inside and eat.
Come with me. God bless you. Do I come with the wine too?
Oh, leave it.
Okay, sorry.
Leave the drink. I have fried chicken,
fried
turkey,
my
fried fish. Everything is inside.
Fried chicken.
What is my name?
Ebu, the city boy.
What is my name?
Ebu, the city boy.
Doma Fozo.
Ebu, the city boy.
Doma Fozo.
Ebu, the city boy.
What is my name?
Ebu, the city boy.
What is my name?
Ebu, the city boy.
I can't hear you.
Ebu, the city boy.
I can't hear you.
Ebu, the city boy.
I can't hear you.
Boo, 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 the city boy.
What is my fault?
Ebu, the city boy. Ebu,
my king, I greet you. My elders, I greet you all.
Thank you.
I'm so happy to be in your presence today. You see, ever since I returned, I've been very, very busy. But I said to myself that today I must come to the palace and see my king, and also pay homage to my king and support the ongoing town hall project. And I'm here with some money. With me here is 1 million naira. Yes. And my king, 700,000 naira is for the ongoing town hall project, and then 300,000 naira cash is for you and the Council of Elders. Yes.
Hey, this is money.
Real money.
Hey, thank you so much, our son. You have shown that you're a true son of the soil. Thank you very much.
Ebube. Obey the city boy.
You still remember that name.
Obey the city boy. You are the wind that bends the iroko tree with a whisper. If other young men will follow your footsteps and support the whole project, by now, the whole will be completed.
Right, that's true. My king.
I thank you very much for this benevolence. We will continue to acknowledge this. I'm enthused, I must say.
Thank you.
Ogadi. Oh, that's a wonderful thing that you have done. With this, that project will be completed in weeks.
My king. My king.
I have mad love for my land.
Good. Give it to you. Please, that is a token from the palace to Ebube.
My king, thank you, but I'm sorry I cannot accept this.
Ebube, no. Who does that? You cannot reject an offer from the king. And I am here.
Oh, no, I am not rejecting it. Yes. It's just that I am tired of drinking foreign wine. Come on. I'm just coming back from the foreign land, so I have this enough in my house. I am tired of drinking foreign wines. I prefer palm wine. If it were to be palm wine, what are you saying? By now, I should be going for the second cup. Yes.
Oh, I see. Palm wine. I used to have palm wine on daily basis in the palace from Odinaka. But since he was arrested, we've been having scarcity of palm wine, even in the whole entire village. It's a problem, as you can see.
Oh, exactly. Is that so? Okay, what about Ozo? Yes, Ozo, the son of late Otenku.
Okay. Well, Ozo, you know, he was banned from tapping for some reason a few months ago.
Why? Because Ozo is, a great palm wine tapper. We all know that. I remember when I returned from Germany, I do go to his house to drink palm wine. And I must confess, he has the best palm wine in this village. Very, refined, the quality is top notch, and everything about his palm wine is, original. What about him?
You have a point there. We all can testify that Ozo used to be the best palm wine tapper in the village. But he has been banned. So we should try and do our best to lift the ban.
But why, if I may ask? We all know that Ozo used to be the best palm wine seller in this village. My king, please, I don't know what the problem may be, but I beg you, please lift the ban. I beg you. Because we don't know when Odinaka will be out from the police cell.
In that case, I lift the ban.
Oh, thank you.
The city boy. The running water that carries a log of booze.
Also, you know I allow you to bring this drink because of one reason. You know we have been old-time friends and old-time customers. If not so, but are you sure this your wine is safe for drinking?
My palm wine? Good for consumption.
You know what? You know what is happening?
Because of no.
Let me bring. Don't worry, I'm coming. So what? Come with you. Let me bring.
Why are you talking like this? Don't you know me again? I'm not Odinaka. Odinaka is an evil man. Odinaka is an evil man. It was his evil deed that caught up with him. Evil man.
Also, do you expect me to believe what you just said?
What is there not to believe? Oh yeah, let me show you. Again. I'm a born again Christian. I'm not like some people. Odinaka to be precise. Watch me. Very good for consumption.
Wait. You want to finish the wine before you sell it to me?
No, I just want to get
you. If you finish the drink, I will minus it from your money before I pay you.
You will do it.
I will minus it from your money if you drink any wine again.
I'm on with money. You must complete my money, or I go with my palm wine.
Ha! Don't try this thing next time, oh. Because I'm buying drink from you does not mean you should come and finish the drink that you want to sell to me. Can you go? Kiss about what? I'm going to do Yambozo.
Bring them on.
Stop looking at me now. You may zoom on. Oh yeah, carry this one. Go. If I leave you, you finish the drink. In the name of your testing it. If you try this thing next time, what happened to Odinaka will happen to you. If you try it again, you know what is happening now. What happened to Odinaka will happen to you. Okay, man. The drink you want to sell to me, you want to finish it before I pay you.
This is genuine love. Allow them to be. Go your way. Allow them to stay together. Now my love, in not getting money, now my darling, not my choice. Now my love, leave them for me. Now my love, now my love, now my sweetie, my sweetie. Now my darling, in not getting big.
Hi, Amaka. Good afternoon. How are you?
Thank you.
Yes. How is everything?
How is it? How is he?
He's fine. He's doing fine.
Can I go and see him, please?
Amaka, honestly, I am working on that. I'm seriously working on it. As a matter of fact, I have met with the best lawyers for this case. But the only thing I can say to you now is that in no time, everything will be fine. But for now, you can't see him.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for everything.
It's okay. You don't need to thank me. Odinaka, your husband is my best friend. Okay? Anything I'm doing it out of love. And I must make sure he's out of there. It's a promise. I can see you have a company. Let me take my leave. I will see you some other.
Sorry, are you leaving because of me?
Oh no. I have an appointment with the lawyer in charge of Odinaka's case. Yes, so I need to see him. Alright, you girls should take good care of yourself, huh? I will see you some other time. But in case you need anything, please, you call me. Alright. Take care. Let me meet the lawyer immediately. Okay, something must be done for Odinaka to be out of that place.
Thank you.
Take care.
So much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Remember what I said, eh? Just call me. The phone call will do the magic.
He is so cute. Huh?
Which one is he so cute? Is he more handsome than my husband?
Handsome waiting. See, Amaka, let me tell you. Manwoke bego. If I were you, I would grab this opportunity and make him mine.
could you say a thing like that when my husband is locked up in a cell?
Oh, thank God you said so. And charged for murder case. He might likely not come out.
Njideka, this is where you cross the line. What do you mean murder case? Do you want my husband dead? Is that what you want?
No. Amaka, no, what are you saying?
Hey, please, I don't like it. Why would you say a thing like that? No, why would you say that? Why?
No, what are you saying? It's not what I meant.
Njideka, Bianaba, it's okay. I am fine. I am not in a good mood. Start going.
Amaka, why can't you just face the reality here?
Do you want my husband dead? That's the question. Hey, I've heard you. Start going. One is Biko. I'm not in a good mood. I want to waka sing, please.
Amaka,
Some breakable, no matter the situation, they still love themselves. They understand themselves. You they waste your time in the good. This is genuine love.
So, how did you do it?
How did I do what?
What did you do that made the king to lift the ban?
Oh, okay, I did nothing, no. I did nothing. Let's just say it was just the Lord's doing, you know. He took away the only obstacle I have and blessed me. You know the saying, nah? One man's tears is another man's joy. You see, my customers are even coming back. Hey, I make good sense now. When you took in a war, I can't do it.
Also, I don't believe you.
You don't believe me?
I don't believe you at all. This is not the handwork of God. Something tells me Odinaka is innocent.
What are you implying? Now let me ask you a question. Was I the person that supplied the palm wine? It was Odinaka. Just the same way he was using sham to take away my customers. His evil caught up with him. Onyanjo, the wicked shall never go unpunished. Onyan.
Also, something is wrong somewhere. Which sensible person will put a poison in his customer's drink? No, Zahanam. I want to understand.
Then welcome.
You see, let me tell you something. I think someone did this to free Odinaka up.
Are you saying I did it?
No, for what? Are you not my friend again? And why are you getting angry? Did I mention your name? Or the brother my friend?
You can leave my house.
You said?
Leave my house.
Also, has it got into that?
Yes, sir. It has gotten into that. This is all you have to say is Odinaka this, Odinaka that. Leave.
But you know you're my friend now.
You are an unfriendly friend. Leave.
Let me...
Then you do it. Go.
Also,
go. You are an enemy.
Also, let me finish my drink now. What is all this?
Go to Odinaka's house and drink. Not here. Nah. Leave. You can Zupogaba. One kata. You are not a friend.
You asked me to leave your house.
Friend enemy. Friend enemy. Unfriendly friend.
I'm not a friend.
God has exposed you. Now I know my enemies. You are one of them. God will disgrace you. God will disgrace you. All of you fighting me in this village. I know you are tired. You cannot leave. Leave. You are an enemy. Enemy in disguise. Enemy in disguise.
This is genuine love. Allow them to be. Go your way.
From serving palm wine to red wine. Hey, good mo. Hey,
money is good.
Money is good.
Yes, it is.
Oh, look at this your hair. This is original raw hair.
You're right.
Original virgin hair.
Correct. My husband said he bought it for, I think, 500,000.
500,000.
Isioko.
Oh my God.
500,000.
Honestly, I love this your transformation.
Yes, so
it really fits
he
you
is
so much.
spoiling me. The man is spoiling the hell out of me.
Okay, so tell me, when are you guys going to make it official?
Oh, as you and I speak, he's on it.
Hey, really? Oh my God, I can't wait for the third wedding. Ashebi love you.
You'll be the main babe now, the main Ashebi girl.
I'm telling you.
And now let me tell you, let me blow your head. He said all the materials for the traditional marriage will be coming from Obodo Yibo.
Are you serious? So I'll be putting on Obodo Yibo clothes.
No, never.
Stay there. Please, I can't wait for my own.
Like I said, your own will soon come to your doorstep. God will bring him just in front of your doorstep like this, bam, the same way he did it for me.
Amen. God, I beg you.
You're my friend, so not to worry. His friends will be there that day.
Are you
Rest
serious?
your best, though.
Are you serious? Oh my God, I can't wait.
Don't worry, drink up. Let me